Jesus here, aka Mr. Nobody, here to bring you another exciting video on cryptocurrency talk. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share, comment below, guys. Let's start up a conversation. Let me know what you guys think, what these news could mean for the cryptocurrency movement. Would it move and swing for the good, or would it move and swing for the bad? And as always, invest responsibly, guys. Let's look at today's forecast. This is currently at 12:46 Pacific time. Bitcoin is at 8.90, still first place for $191 billion market cap. Ethereum, it's gone up quite a bit. It's got a 3% yield to date. It's back at 104. Ripple's still a third. Bitcoin Cash, it's doing okay. Cardano's having a pretty decent week. Actually, Cardano and Stellar have been having pretty good weeks. While the market's been red, they've been going positive. Litecoin's down to 7. Our good and yield faithful Tron is at 14. They've got some great news. Look it up, guys. They got some updating news, and they're supposed to be rolling out their Tron technology at sometime at the end of March. So this will most likely go up. So as always, guys, for Tron and Ripple owners, hold. Guys, if you guys haven't heard yet, big news just got announced today. Robinhood will be carrying cryptocurrency. So excited, guys. Robinhood will be carrying cryptocurrency. They're going to be having their own cryptocurrency app. Goodbye, Coinbase. Just kidding, guys. Coinbase will probably still be around. But now we have another option for buying and selling cryptocurrency other than Robinhood. Other than Coinbase. But Robinhood, if you guys don't know, is an application that's been out for quite some time now. They are an application that allows us everyday guys to buy stock in the stock market without using a stockbroker or paying stockbroker fees. We can dive into the market and buy and sell stock. Well, today they announced they're going to be they're going to be making an application exclusively only for cryptocurrency, guys. That's super exciting, because some of us were gambling and betting on Ripple just to be announced, waiting to be announced on Coinbase. So Robinhood could be carrying Ripple soon, guys. And this means that Ripple could be exploding. Which would be really nice, because I've been holding it for a long time and I'm tired of holding it, but I want to keep holding it. So you guys hold, because Robinhood is coming in, selling Bitcoin. This is another American application that now we can sell and buy cryptocurrencies, guys. This is super exciting. They just announced this today. This was a surprise. I didn't know any of this was going to happen, but as always, I am always looking for the biggest news on YouTube. So please subscribe if you guys haven't. There's gonna be a lot more stuff that I'm gonna bring you guys. If it's there, it's because it's big, and if I'm gonna report it, if I'm gonna let you guys know, that's because it's going to be something to stay. So this channel is not to report anything that's bullshit or that's make-believe stuff. What I report you guys is factual stuff. So hit that subscribe button, guys, because I'm going to be giving you guys more videos every week on the latest trends of cryptocurrency talk. But going over to their Robinhood Twitter page, as you guys can see here, they are introducing, this was 5 hours ago, invest in Bitcoin out the cryptocurrencies commission-free on Robinhood platform 24/7. Hashtag don't sleep, guys. Some of us don't even sleep. So this is our application. As you can see here, the last time they reported anything on the Twitter was the 23rd of December. And it's a pretty cool icon they've changed there for, I guess, for their cryptocurrency. Nice background too for their more digital currency, guys. This is a huge step for them, and this is a huge step for the cryptocurrency world. Great news. This is the best news I've heard in weeks, with other than the fall of BitConnect and Korea banned false news and you guys know the flood. But this is the most positive news I've heard all week. This lets me, all month. This lets me know, the guys, that this is another validation of cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. And I'm telling you guys, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's only a matter of time that everybody will jump on it. And government, as we all know, it takes a lot of time for government to jump on it too. I mean, look how long it took them to jump on legalizing marijuana in most states, guys. So cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. I'm telling you that right now. It's just a matter of time before government will regulate it. That's why currencies like Tron, once regulation comes in, will be very valuable, because some of us will love to still have that point of cryptocurrency, the essence of cryptocurrency, and why I started, that it wasn't regulated. So Robinhood, guys, are going to be carrying a cryptocurrency app pretty soon that will be selling Bitcoin and maybe some other coins. Ripple, I mean, we can only hope for, but we don't have to wait around on this Coinbase application. I love you, Coinbase. You guys are still great. You guys are still my number one, because, I mean, you guys are just the granddaddy of allowing us to buy cryptocurrency, guys. But for right now on the phone, I only saw Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as of right now, I don't know if this is just a demo, but if you guys play the demo over and over, you guys will see just Bitcoin and Ethereum. But as you see it there they are, and then they have their other stocks. So this is still great and exciting. So we should see some Bitcoin, Ethereum movement coming up in the next few days, the next few weeks, guys. If you want to be a part of when this announcement is in, please hit your email, put your email here, get early access, so you will get announced sometime in February when it will be released. This goes for everyone who's new to cryptocurrency. This might have also an easier setup than Coinbase. I know Coinbase has dropped the ball and has been dropping the ball for people to set up new accounts because they're trying to verify their driver's license and send pictures, and Coinbase is telling them we can't because we're just overloaded right now, and you guys have to wait. So this is another way and another option coming up soon for new people to come in and jump into the Bitcoin cryptocurrency market. Yeah, there it is, guys. If some of you haven't heard, and I'm sure you guys will be excited. For those of you that have heard, well, we got something to look forward for, especially for this new year. Way to start the new year, knowing that there's another company here in America that allows us to buy and sell cryptocurrency and trade officially on an application of our own. So thank you, guys. Let me know what you guys think at the bottom. Let's start a conversation. Do you guys think that this will be a great move for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Do you guys think that they will add other cryptocurrencies in the top 5, top 10? Or are they just moving slowly like Coinbase, and they're just going to not let us know when they're going to add those other cryptocurrencies that we've been holding for so long? Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Got more videos for you guys coming out. You guys, as always, invest responsibly. Thanks. Bye-bye now.